What to look for on the certificates of insurance. So once you get the certificate of insurance in your hands, how do you determine if your subcontractors have adequate coverage? First of all, you'll want to make sure that your subcontractors have workers' comp coverage at acceptable limits. What those limits should be can vary from job to job, but we typically recommend at least $500,000. If you have questions about what limits are right for you, we recommend checking with your insurance agent. However, you'll want to check other aspects of the COI to make sure the coverage is correct, active, and adequate. Here are the things you should double check on a certificate of insurance once you receive it. Named insured. This section should include the name of the contractor. Insurance company. This section shows the insurance company your contractor has the business insurance policy through. Sometimes there may be more than one insurance company listed. This just means that they have different carriers for their different types of insurance. You'll want to look at the insurance types section to make sure the correct policies correspond with the correct carriers. Insurance types. This section shows the type of insurance the COI is proving insurance for. You'll want to check here to make sure it includes all the types of insurance you are requesting. Limits. Across from the insurance types, you'll see the policy limits associated with each type of insurance. Once again, make sure these limits match the amount you requested. Policy effective date. This section shows the term of the commercial insurance policy, when it started and when it will expire. If you expect your project or construction job to extend beyond the policy expiration date, you'll want to make sure the contractor or company renews their policy and you get a new COI from them. COI date issued. This section shows the date the COI was created, so you'll want to double check that the date is correct and within the policy effective period. Keep in mind, a COI is only a snapshot in time, meaning it can only prove that the insurance policy was active on the issue date. Theoretically, a contractor could get a COI as proof of insurance and then cancel the policy the next day. Special conditions. This section is where the agent should list the property address for the job and any job details or your special requirements as the requester. We recommend to our clients that they be added as an additional insured in this section to protect themselves against liability lawsuits. Workers' compensation. In this section of the COI, there will be a checkbox indicating whether the owner is included under the policy. The owner of a business may not have automatic coverage, so the checkbox will show you whether they are included or not. If this box isn't checked, you may want to have the certificate corrected. Signature. Finally, you will want to make sure the document is signed by the contractor's insurance agent, making it official. Ensuring your subcontractors have proper insurance is one way to ease the stress involved with working with subcontractors. Having their proof of insurance before hiring will help make sure you don't have any issues or surprise payments down the road. If your company hires a lot of subcontractors, effective COI management will be crucial in the case of an audit. Keeping all of your certificates organized will allow for a smooth audit process and make sure you aren't overpaying for subcontractors on your own policy. In case you want some other tips to make sure your audit runs smoothly, check out the article linked in the description of this video. If you'd like to learn more about workers' compensation or have further questions about commercial insurance, check out our Learning Center on our website. We have tons of articles and videos about a variety of insurance topics. Thank you for watching today's video. And if you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos like this every week to help our viewers understand the world of insurance. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.